Namaskar, I am Anika, and you are watching Travel World Online. First, let's take a look at the top headlines of the day. West Bengal eyes Mirik as North Bengal's next major tourism growth hub with a 100 crore investment. Saudi low-cost carrier fly deal debuts in India with daily Riyadh to Hyderabad flights. The Faith Conclave 2026 is set to chart the roadmap for India's tourism economy. SATE introduces an AI-powered visitor qualification framework ahead of its 2027 edition. Hilton brings its Canopy brand to Southeast Asia with a stunning debut in Bangkok. And Hravi is all set to host its third Knowledge series in Goa on July 15th. And now, the news in detail. West Bengal has unveiled plans to transform Mirik into a major tourism destination with a proposed 100 crore infrastructure development project. Tourism Minister Shankar Ghosh confirmed that the state is preparing a detailed project report after discussions with Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Located 50 kilometers from Siliguri, Mirik will see upgraded visitor facilities, lake beautification, and better accommodations to boost the regional tourism circuit alongside Darjeeling and Kalimpong. In a major boost to international aviation connectivity, Saudi Arabia's low-cost carrier flyer deal has entered the Indian market. The airline launched its inaugural daily non-stop service between Riyadh and Hyderabad using Airbus A320 aircraft. This marks Hyderabad as Flyadeal's first Indian destination, expanding GMR Hyderabad International Airport's network to 24 international destinations and catering to the growing diaspora, pilgrim, and business traffic. Moving on, SATT has announced a pioneering tech upgrade for its 2027 edition by introducing an AI-powered visitor and buyer qualification framework. Integrated with the SATE 360 platform, this system moves beyond traditional registration to analyze attendee intent and buyer quality. Senior Group Director Pallavi Mehra stated, "This will create a smarter marketplace, enhancing business matchmaking for the travel trade year-round." The flagship Faith Conclave 2026 will convene in New Delhi on July 16th and 17th under the theme Incredible India, Invaluable Economics. Inaugurated by Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and featuring key leaders like Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, the event will tackle aviation growth, hotel competitiveness, and sustainable tourism. Faith Chairman Puneet Chhatwal emphasized the event's focus on building actionable priorities for national employment and economic development. In international hospitality, Hilton has opened reservations for Canopy Bangkok Sukhumvit, marking the Southeast Asian debut of its lifestyle boutique brand. Scheduled to open on August 1st, 2026, the property is located in Bangkok's vibrant Asoke district. Designed by Avroco, the hotel features 2 interconnected towers and offers easy transit access, reinforcing Bangkok's position as a premier global gateway. Closer to home, the Hotel and Restaurant Association of Western India will host its third Knowledge series on July 15th at Fortune Miramar, Goa. Partnering with Ernst & Young, the full-day session is designed for hospitality owners and managers. It will focus critically on regulatory compliance, handling key subjects like the digital personal data protection rules, latest GST updates, and evolving labor codes. That's all the news for now. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Travel World Online for more updates from the global travel, hospitality, and aviation sectors. This is Anika signing off. Jai Hind.
You are watching Travel World Online.